Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate content summarization using AI agent. So I am a content manager at a digital marketing agency. I am receiving multiple content in the form of PDFs from my content creators. I need to summarize each of the content and add the details in my Google Sheets for weekly records. But doing it manually is a time-consuming process, so I have decided to automate this entire process with the help of my AI agent, that is OpenAI and Pabbly Connect. Now every time a new PDF document is going to be uploaded in my Google Drive folder, automatically the details will be summarized and a record will be created in my Google Sheets. To automate this entire process, I'm not going to use any kind of coding and programming skills. I will be simply integrating all these applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So for your business, if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to automate content summarization using AI agent. So here, I work as a content manager at a digital marketing agency. Every time the team member, the content creators of our organization are going to upload a new article or blog in the PDF format in my Google Drive folder, I want to summarize that same article and add the details to create a record for other team members or reviewers to review the articles further in my Google Sheets. But doing everything manually is a time-consuming process. So therefore, I have decided to automate this task with the help of my AI agent, that is OpenAI, and Pabbly Connect, that is an amazing automation and integration software. Now every time the team member is going to upload the document of their article or the blog, automatically the summary of that article or blog is going to be added in Google Sheets along with the title and the URL. And do you know, I have not used any coding and programming skills to create this automation. I have simply connected all the applications such as Google Drive, AI agent, that is OpenAI, and Google Sheets with each other with the help of Pabbly Connect, and my work is done. So without any further wait, let's start creating and learning this amazing automation step by step. To start with the process, first of all, in a new tab, you need to type pabbly.com/connect in your browser. It will take you towards the landing page of Pabbly Connect, where we can find two options, sign in and sign up for free. In case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account directly. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. As an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. It is going to take me towards all apps section, where we can find all the products that are offered by Pabbly. To create our automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. It has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where we can find all the workflows that we have created. And also we can create separate folders like this to save the workflows separately and accordingly. Now to create a new workflow, let's click on this create workflow option. As we have done that, a dialog box is appeared in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let me provide a name over here. Automate content summarization using AI agent. I'm going to now select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So you can see I have list of folders over here. I have created separate folders on my dashboard to save different kind of workflows. The automation which I'm going to create currently is related to AI. So I'm going to select AI automations. Now I'm going to click on create and the workflow is created. As you can see, a new screen is going to be open in front of us. The screen contains two extremely important windows. We have trigger and action over here. So trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which entire automation runs. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now let's suppose here I want that in my Google Drive folder, whenever the team member, the content creator, is going to upload their document related to the article or the blog which they have written, then automatically that particular document, the content from that document is going to be summarized with the help of my AI agent, that is OpenAI. So I'm going to take Google Drive and trigger and OpenAI in my action step. When we are going to build the connection between these applications, so we will see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means whenever the document of the content will be uploaded in my Google Drive folder, then only that content is going to be summarized, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger in action, let us start creating this automation step by step. To start with the process, first of all, let's go towards our trigger step, and we have to select our trigger application over here. So I'm going to take Google Drive in my trigger application, but if you're using any other application where you are managing the folders or the documents, so you can select that as well, such as OneDrive, Dropbox, or etc. Now I'm going to select Google Drive as my trigger application, and now we are going to select the trigger event. So on the happening of for which specific event inside Google Drive you want to capture the response and start your automation. I have created a separate folder for the team members to upload their content, upload their documents. So I want that when a file is going to be uploaded in specific folder, then I want to capture the response. So I'm going to select new file in specific folder, and now I'm going to build the connection between Google Drive and Pabbly Connect. For that, let's click on this connect button. Here we have two options, add new connection and select existing connection. If you already have an existing connection with Google Drive, just select that. But to create a new connection, you need to select add new connection. Keep login to your Google Drive account already so that the connection process could become simple and easier. Then you have to click on sign in with Google. As you will do that, your account will be detected because you are already logged in. You have to select that account, then you have to provide the permission to Pabbly Connect to access your Google Drive account, and then as you will do that, your connection will become successful. I already have an existing connection, so currently I'm going to go with that. Now we have to select the folder or the subfolder in which when the file will be uploaded, we want to capture the response. So the name of my folder is marketing content. I'm going to select the same. Okay, now we are supposed to click on save and send test request button to capture the response. But before that, I have to tell you one more very important thing. That is, Google Drive is based on 10 minutes of polling time. Polling time is actually the time which Pabbly Connect is going to take every time to capture a new response. Because we have 10 minutes of polling time inside Google Drive, this means every time a new file will be uploaded in Google Drive folder, it is not going to be captured inside Pabbly Connect instantly. The response is going to be captured after 10 minutes. So currently when we are going to click on save and send test request button, we will be receiving the response of the last or the latest file which was uploaded in our Google Drive folder. So here currently, before clicking on this button, I will take you back towards my Google Drive folder, and over here in front of you, I am going to upload a file in my folder. So I have uploaded the PDF of an article, The Rise of Remote Work, How Companies Are Adapting. And now I'm going to go back towards Pabbly Connect, and we will click on save and send test request button. As we have done that, we have received a response. In the response, we have received all the details, the web view link, the content link, the rate and time at which the file was viewed by me. Then we have received other details. Okay, this means that the connection between Google Drive and Pabbly Connect is built successfully, and now every time the file will be uploaded in our Google Drive folder, the response will be automatically captured after 10 minutes inside Pabbly Connect. We want to summarize the content that we have received in this PDF document. This is the article that we have received. So I need to summarize it. I will use my AI agent, that is OpenAI, for it. So I will take you towards my Pabbly Connect account once again. We will go towards our action step, and in our action application, here I'm going to select my AI agent, that is OpenAI. If you are using any other AI application as your AI agent, you can also select that. I have selected my action application as OpenAI, and now I'm going to select the event. I need to extract out the details from the PDF or the image. So for that, I'm going to select extract content from PDF or image. Let's click on connect. Over here, we have two options, add new connection and select existing connection. So in case if you already have an existing connection, you can quickly go with that. To create a new connection, you have to go towards add new connection, and you need to enter the token. You have to keep login to all the applications which you want to connect with Pabbly Connect priorly, because then only the process of your connection is going to become simple and easier. Now here to generate the token, just click on this hyperlink. It is going to redirect you towards API key page of OpenAI platform. Here you need to click on this button, create new secret key, and you have to first of all provide the name to your key to identify it. So let's say I'm going to give the name as new articles. You also have to select the project in which you want to save the key, and then you need to click on create secret key button. The key is generated, so let's copy it. We'll go back and you have to paste the key over here like this. When you will do that, the connection between OpenAI and Pabbly Connect will become successful. I have already created an existing connection, so currently I'm going to quickly go with that. Here the connection is built, so let's move forward. First of all, we need to select the model by using which we want to generate the content. So here we have multiple models. I'm going to select GPT-4 Omni. Now it is asking us the image of the PDF URL that we want to use. So I've already received the PDF URL in my earlier response. I'm going to directly map it by inserting it from the previous response itself. So this is the web content link. I'm going to directly map it like this, and as we have done that, it has become dynamic. That means whenever a new file is going to be uploaded in our Google Drive folder, the response will be captured inside Pabbly Connect, and as soon as the response will be captured, according to that new response, this file link will get replaced. So in this way, we are going to automate the entire process. So now we have to go towards a very important and the highlight step of this automation, that is to provide the command to our AI agent that what we actually wanted to do for us. So that we have to do with the help of prompt. In prompt, we have to enter all the details that what kind of content we want to generate, what are the source that they have to use to generate the content, and everything that we want to be there in our content. Okay, because I want to generate the summary of the PDF document that I've received in my earlier response, the article that I've received. So I'm going to provide the prompt as, you are a professional content summarizer. First of all, here I have provided the role which my AI agent needs to perform. Read the following article given in PDF carefully and generate a concise summary in 3 to 5 sentences. The summary should capture the key points, main ideas, and important facts or insight from the text. Avoid repeating the same phrases and maintain a neutral, informative tone. If available, also extract 3 to 5 relevant keywords or tag at the end. The summary should be easy to understand and suitable for a content management dashboard or reporting spreadsheet. Okay. Now, as we have done that, as we have provided the prompt, currently I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. Here we got the response. In the response, we have received the summary of the article, and also we have received the keywords as I have mentioned in my prompt. As I have received the content, now I'm going to update the details in my Google Sheets. So this is the spreadsheet which I am maintaining for my team members to view the title, the summary, and the URL. Title of the article that is going to be published or the blog. Then we have the summary that we are going to generate with the help of AI agent and the URL of that same article or the blog. Now I'm going to click on this Add Action Step button and I'm going to build the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. For that, I have selected Google Sheets as my action application, and the action event is going to be add new row. Whenever the file will be uploaded in my Google Drive folder, in a new row, the record of the details should be created. Okay, let's click on connect. I have already built the connection, so I'm going to go with that. Follow the same steps as I have shown you while connecting Google Drive in order to connect Google Sheets as well. Okay, here we have to select the spreadsheet name. So the name of my spreadsheet is marketing content. So from the drop down, I'm going to select that. Then we have to select the sheet name, and then we have to provide the details, title, summary, and the URL. So first of all, here from Google Drive folder, let's check whether we have received the title. Yes, here we have received the title in our earlier response. So I'm going to directly map the file name over here. Okay. If you want, you can also remove this .pdf from the title by using text formatter. You can split the text and remove this .pdf. Okay, it is for my internal purpose, so I'm going to keep it same. Then we are going to map the summary over here. As we are mapping the details, they are going to become dynamic and automatically they are going to then replace with every new response. Then here I'm going to map the URL of the document as well. Let's click on Save and Send Test Request button. As we have done that, the response is captured, so I will take you towards Google Sheets. And yes, here we can see that the details are added in our Google Sheets, the title, the summary, and the URL. In this way, every time the article or the blog is going to be uploaded in my Google Drive folder by my team members, it is going to be summarized automatically with the help of my AI agent, and the summary of that article or blog is going to be added along with the title and the URL automatically in my Google Sheets. Now, as we have completed the automation, let's summarize what we have done. So we have connected Google Drive, AI agent, and Google Sheets in such a way, whenever a file is going to be uploaded in specific folder of Google Drive, the article or the blog file, automatically the content will be summarized with the help of my AI agent, and the record will be added in my Google Sheets. So I hope the automation is clear to you. Also, it is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching. Not only this automation, but you can create multiple such amazing automations for your business with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you want to connect us, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. For any of your queries, you can ask at forum.pabbly.com, and for any of your pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. If the video was helpful for you, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.